Hey everyone, it's your girl Leila. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing another DH haul, and this is just going to be on purses strictly. And I have 3 of them to show you guys today. This is more summertime pieces. So if you guys like this content, by the way, you want to see it 24/7, that's all you want to see from me, and you want the real tea, the sneak preview on everything before YouTube even sees it, definitely check me out on Patreon. The link is always in the description box below. I do have a free trial going on right now, so you can binge watch my videos. It's a 7-day free trial, so definitely check it out and support me by subscribing to my Patreon. Additionally, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday here on YouTube. And before we get into the video, if you guys are interested in any of these pieces, definitely check me out on Instagram. You know, while you're there, give me a follow, but if you have any questions regarding any of these pieces, all the info is in my IG bio, and additionally, you can also check me out on Twitter, which is renamed X. It's the pinned tweet. It's all there, and if you do have any further questions, I will answer you on Instagram. You can DM me, anything like that, if you have any questions about these items. But let's go ahead and get right into the haul. So the first item I'm going to show you is this right here. Oh my goodness. So this is one of my favorite brands. As you guys know, I love showing pieces from this brand. I absolutely love it. It is actually pretty hard to find this brand specifically on DH, and I love their stuff. I'm obsessed. I love my book tote. I love my other saddlebags, and I love the lady bag. So from this line, I love a lot of things. Honestly, if I like a brand, I might like one thing from that brand and nothing else. But in this case, I like most things. So basically, this did have a ribbon on it. It was wrapped really nicely, but I did unbox this for Patreon. So I already took the ribbon off. But it looks like this. I knew that would happen. I honestly knew that would happen. So it did have a ribbon wrapped around it really nicely and everything like that. And then it does come with this, which is just a card as well as the care booklet. And additionally, it also comes with some information here, receipts, all of that stuff on the inside, which is nice. I love it when things come with this type of thing. You can definitely give this as a gift and it looks like you've spent a lot of money. So let's go ahead and take this out. So it comes like this. It does come with its own dust bag, super cute. And this is a piece that I feel like I'm gonna be wearing a lot this summer. I really am, because I absolutely love it. And the other 2 that I own are leather. So this is different. It's in a canvas type material, and I do really like that. So this is what it looks like right here. Really, really nice. I will take out all of, you know, the foam and everything like that and show you guys the strap. But this is what it looks like. It is a beautiful, beautiful saddlebag. I do like the print on it. I think it's really nice. And I do like the fact that it is navy. I really like the navy blue. I think it looks really good with the canvas. I originally wanted this with like the one with the logo on the back. So when you open this up, there's one that has like the logo here. I kind of wanted that one at first, but I kept seeing this one and I actually fell in love with this one a lot more than that one. So I do really, really like this bag. I think it's beautiful. And I am very familiar with the style of bag that this is. I know what it fits because back in 2021, I think it was 2021. One of my first purchases on DH was a saddlebag, and it's in black leather, and I used that one to death. I wore it all the time, and it was my favorite bag of 2021. I still wear it from time to time, but not as often as I should. But now I have like a different version of it, and I think I can pair this with a lot of things that I own anyways. So the inside of the bag looks like this. I will take everything out so you guys can have a peek on the insides. It is canvas on the inside as well, and you do get one zippered pocket, which I actually do use for like my wallet or keys or something like that, just to keep things somewhat organized. Sometimes I just put like a lip gloss in there, but this does fit my phone if I did really want to put my phone in there. It fits my essentials, my wallet, my keys, my phone, and that's about it. Maybe like a lip gloss and stuff like that, you can add that as well. This back pocket is also really functional. I don't know if people that own this bag actually utilize the back pocket, but I honestly do. I either put like papers in here, like sometimes, you know, you'll get receipts or whatever, I'll put it in the back here, or else I'll put my phone in there and I'll just kind of like shove it in sideways. I don't know where my Samsung is, but I do have this phone. I have two phones, and I kind of just go like this sometimes, just to be hands-free. If I'm paying for something at the store or something like that, it fits my phone nicely back here. And you guys know what the saddlebag looks like on, I'm sure, but it works out pretty well, and it does hold the majority of my stuff. So that is the saddlebag. I will go ahead and take all of this off to show you guys what it looks like.
1 hour later.
Okay, so this is what it looks like with all of that foam taken off. Really, really beautiful. I'll kind of do some up close shots of the bag. So it's really nice because it does have this antique gold hardware, and I do like that because it doesn't tarnish or anything like that. I haven't had any issues with my other two saddlebags. This is what the top strap looks like. It is a short drop, so if I put it around my shoulder, it kind of goes like that, and that's how I prefer to wear it anyways, or I like to hold it kind of like at the crook of my arm, but preferably on my shoulder like that. It looks really cool with the CD right here, and it's just a really, really beautiful classic bag. So that's that. And then I'll kind of bring you up close a little bit here. So this is what the detailing looks like on the front. This is a beautiful matte navy blue leather. It is so nice. And then the bottom of the bag, this actually stores really well too, because it kind of just like is flat. So it does stretch out a little bit. If you guys were wondering, like, it's not just a very, very structured bag where you can barely fit anything in here. It actually is a pretty good size. Last but not least, it does come with a long strap. So if you are a long strap girly, you can totally put this on and do long strap. But I personally just never wear the long strap on any bag. I usually just wear it with the strap that it comes with. So like the shorter one is just fine for me, but you can definitely go long strap if that's what you want. And this is the same, like it matches the bag perfectly. It is a matte navy blue leather with matching hardware. Has the antique gold hardware here, and this is what the clasps look like. So it is a really good quality strap. I just personally wouldn't use it. So fun fact, on the leather saddlebag, you do get like a canvas type strap that almost looks like this. And then on this bag, on the canvas bag, you get a leather strap. So it's kind of like the opposite. But yeah, I am very excited to wear this. I am definitely going to be taking this on vacation with me to BC, and I'm going to be wearing this with a lot of my outfits. So follow me on IG if you guys want to see this bag styled and in action. Okay, so next up is this bag right here. This is a clutch type bag. This is more of like an evening style bag. It is this one right here. So pretty. So I don't own any beige bags from this brand. All the bags that I own from them are in black. So this is gonna be my first time with the beige bag. So let's go ahead and open it. It comes like this. It does have a dust bag. And what I love about all these pieces is they all come in boxes, which is so nice. I'm not gonna be keeping all of the boxes, but it is nice for smaller bags like this, so I can store them in their packaging and they don't get like flattened in my collection of bags. So let's go ahead and take this one out. I haven't actually seen this one yet, but Patreon will see this one first. I think I'm gonna be posting my Patreon video like this week, unboxing this bag. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's nothing like I have, like I mentioned, like I don't own a lot of beige bags, to be completely honest with you. I don't know if I'm just not a beige person. Like I don't like a lot of beige things. I like a lot of black things in my wardrobe, but this is really nice. I really like, you know, having a variety of different colors in my collection, and like I said, I haven't ventured in the beige realm of bags. I'm also more of a cool tone person. I do like more grays, so if I have a certain bag and it's kind of in this realm, or like if it's a neutral, I'll go for more of like a grayish versus a beige. But this is really beautiful. So this is what this one looks like. It does have the logo on the front there, and I will take this off, but I'm gonna put it back on, show on Patreon. But this is what this one looks like. Gold hardware, really, really beautiful. And let's go ahead and open the bag. I am familiar with this one. I do own it in black and gold. So let's go ahead and check the inside of the bag out. So it looks like this. Really nice. And if you are familiar with this one, it does have card compartments, like a lot of card compartments. You basically get a full wallet built into the clutch, so you don't have to use your own wallet. So that is what that looks like. There is a pocket back here as well for like small stuff, receipts, whatever. And then it does have a middle pocket, which, you know, is pretty spacious as well. And I like this because it divides the bag appropriately, so you don't really lose anything. You can be very organized with this one. And then it has a bigger compartment on that side for like your keys or any of that sort of stuff. This is the chain, which I will put on and show you guys what the chain looks like with the bag. But yeah, the inside of the bag is a nice material. Like it is like a material interior. It's not suede or anything like that. I find that this bag is pretty spacious. I do really like the leather too. I think it's really nice. I love caviar leather. So I'm just gonna do kind of a close-up. Sorry about the shadows. It is a rainy day here. It's been raining like crazy these past 2 days, so it's really hard to show you guys stuff without the shadows. But that is the bag. Very, very cute. I will go ahead and put this on and show you guys what it looks like.
1 hour later.
This is what the bag looks like with the chain. I've actually never bought one of these bags where I had to put the chain on, so I was a little bit confused. Not really, like it's not a hard task to do, but the holes in the leather that clip this in, as you guys can see, there's like these 2 holes. It's almost like a belt, right? So you have to like connect them to the holes. That part was a little bit hard to do with nails, and I didn't fully get like this one, the last one, because the holes are really small and the connector part is really like, it's kind of big. So that was a little bit difficult to do, but I did get it somewhat connected. I will fix it. Ooh, I didn't know that it was, that's nice. I really like that. Some of these bags that you buy, you don't get the, what is it called? The magnet mechanism. This one is magnetic, which is nice. So it has the logo right there on the hardware, and it does magnetize and clip really easily. So that is really nice, because I do have one from Dhgate that does not have that magnetic mechanism, so it's actually kind of hard to close. So I really appreciate that with this bag, and I think it's really beautiful. I will get a lot of use out of this. I think that this is a really great date night, maybe like a brunch date type bag. It's so pretty, and I love the chain. It's actually really nice and heavy. And so that is what the chain looks like up close. I'll kind of show you guys how it looks. It is a beautiful gold. It's almost like a 24 karat gold type chain. So that is this bag. And what's really nice about this too is you can wrap the chain around it and stuff like that on the inside of the bag, and you can make it smaller if you do want to wear it like doubled up. If you want, you can definitely do that, but I do like the long chain on this particular style of bags. So that is that one. I really do like it. Okay, last but not least, this one is really, really exciting because I don't have one. I don't have one, and I feel like maybe 1 or 2 years ago when I was really into watching the Dhgate videos on YouTube. It was literally sold out everywhere at the boutiques, very hard to find type bags. So a lot of people were running to the Dhgate to actually get this, but I don't know, I just never really fell into the hype with this bag until now, and now I'm really excited to actually start wearing it. So if you can guess what it is, it is this right here. It is the Palm Springs mini backpack. So it looks like this. This is the box that it comes in. Very nice. And we're gonna open this together because I haven't actually opened this one just yet. I just kind of briefly opened it when I got it from the mail because the box was kind of like a little bit squished and I was a little bit worried, but it's perfectly fine. Comes in the dust bag right here. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, so excited to finally have this in my collection. And I just think it's so cute. It's such a cute little backpack, and I think that this is also going to hold a lot of things as well. It's one of those things where I don't have to worry about what I bring with me. I could bring a lot and it would still fit everything. Like honestly, I think that this would even fit a water bottle. So I'm very excited because I know that this is gonna fit a lot of my summer essentials, and if I go on like walks or anything like that, it will definitely fit a water bottle in here. The zippers are actually really cute. I find the zippers really cute. Hardware is really nice. It is this beautiful gold tone hardware, very shiny. So that's what that looks like. It does have a compartment here on the front, which I don't know what you'd put in there, but I can open it. The compartment on the front is really tiny. You could probably like put your keys in there, something like that, for easy access just on the front. That is what that looks like. And then let's go ahead and open it. So it does come with the straps right here that I'm gonna have to try to put on the backpack. And it does look like this on the inside. Very nice and spacious. It is like a material interior, just a regular material interior, nothing too special about that. And then it has the logo on the back. Also, it has a really tiny pocket on the back, which I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a pocket back there for maybe like a wallet or something like that. So you still definitely can keep your stuff organized in this little mini backpack. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this and then try to put the straps on and show you guys what it looks like.
1 hour later.
Okay, I think I did this correctly, but the straps are really long. I'm gonna have to adjust them. They do adjust, if you guys were wondering. They're not like a one size, so they're not gonna be this huge, but it is really cute. That's what it looks like with the straps on the back. Yeah, the straps actually look kind of ridiculous right now because they are so long and the bag is so tiny, but I am gonna fix that for sure once I wear it. And then this is what the top looks like. It does have this hook thing, so you know, you can carry it as well if you guys really wanted to. It's more of like a handle, not like a hook like a traditional backpack has. It is this really nice leather piece that you can, you know, carry this around. You can take the straps off. I don't know, you can do a lot with this pack and I really like it. You also have a strap here. I don't know what this part's for. I think that this is maybe just like either to hang it, or if you want to do something funky with the straps, maybe you can. Yeah, this is a very versatile piece. There's multiple ways that you can wear this, and I'm gonna zip it up. The zipper on this is also really nice and smooth, if you guys were wondering, because I know a lot of ones that you find on the Dhgate, the zipper's like actually really hard to, you know, unzip and zip. But this one is really nice and buttery smooth. So that is the Palm Springs mini backpack. I'm very excited to wear this out. I'm gonna actually try it with the straps, like the length that it is right now, just to see. Oh yeah, they're way too big. They are way too big. They definitely need to be adjusted. Yeah, it's so cute. I really like this. I think that this would definitely be good with a crop sweater, like something similar to what I'm wearing right now, like a cropped hoodie and shorts or something like that. I think that this could be a really cute fit. Again, also very versatile. You can definitely take this into more of like a formal environment as well. And yeah, that is that. So definitely very summertime inspired pieces in this haul video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. giveaway. And if you guys have any questions regarding any of these pieces, like I mentioned, definitely check my Instagram bio or my Twitter pinned tweet. And if you do have any further questions or anything like that, definitely reach out to me on Instagram. I will reply. And that is all for this video. I'll see you guys soon with a new one. Bye.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.